Compass Publishing. Writing Framework, a complete framework for thinking and writing logically, following a step-by-step process. A 9-level series aimed at upper elementary to middle school students of English to build strong foundational skills in writing. The first 3 books focus on sentence writing and mechanics, and introduce ways of connecting multiple sentences into simple paragraphs. The next 3 books build on what students have learned to construct more elaborate paragraphs in a wider variety of forms. Then, in the final 3 books, learners develop the ability to combine paragraphs into various essay formats. The lowest levels of the series are aimed at learners with a foundation in English at approximately CEFR pre-A1 to A2, and the series progresses in difficulty up to approximately the B2 level. Each book in the series has 8 units, with a section at the back that includes a grammar reference and sample passages that they can refer to. There is also a detachable workbook at the back with additional activities and pages to write their final drafts and projects. The Writing Framework series takes a process-focused approach to teaching English writing skills. In every unit, starting at the lowest level, students are guided through warm-up and pre-writing steps, in which they get familiar with the topic and brainstorm ideas. Then, they organize these ideas by drafting their written work. Finally, they polish up their writing by editing and proofreading. The sentence and paragraph levels of Writing Framework have 8 pages in each unit. The essay levels have 10 pages. The unit opens with the warm-up, which introduces the topic. The writing guide gives a brief description of the passage learners will be producing so they can start planning their ideas. A simple activity activates schema and helps them recall prior knowledge. Then, in Words to Know, key vocabulary and expressions are introduced. Next, learners are presented with a model passage with carefully controlled language and comprehension questions. On the next page, they are guided through the process of understanding the structure of the passage and how the ideas are organized. Learning is scaffolded by providing step-by-step instructions for rewriting, paraphrasing, and modifying the passage before learners attempt writing one of their own. On the Language Skills page, students learn the conventions of writing, with simple explanations and exercises to practice essential points of punctuation and grammar, first at the sentence level, and then in a sample paragraph. More detailed explanations can be found in the appendix. In the essay levels, there are 2 additional pages focusing on essay structure. Next, students are guided through the writing process, starting with pre-writing. They first brainstorm and outline their passage, supported by guiding questions, graphic organizers, word banks, and examples. Then, they produce their first draft. In the lower levels, scaffolding is provided in the form of sentence starters and a color-coded key in the margin. The writing skills box and checklist help students remember to apply what they've learned. A full-color detachable workbook is included with the student book. There are additional exercises for students to apply what they've learned about punctuation and grammar in the unit. In higher levels, proofreading exercises help students learn how to edit and improve their writing. The workbook is also where students can rewrite the final draft of their completed passage. The workbook is detachable to make it easy for teachers to review students' work. Also included in the workbook are 21st Century Skills projects. These projects are opportunities for learners to practice communication, collaboration, creativity, and critical thinking while applying what they've learned to produce writing in a wide variety of formats. These pages can be removed to post around the classroom or keep in student portfolios. Learners and teachers using the print books can conveniently access the audio tracks by scanning the QR codes using their mobile device. Writing Framework comes with a full range of supplementary material, including worksheets and tests that you can download for free to make teaching your classes easier. As with all Compass products, the Writing Framework series comes with our innovative digital learning solutions. ClassBox is a browser-based teaching platform with a library of digital ELT textbooks you can use to teach your classes online or in the classroom. It also has an easy-to-use learning management system for managing classes, assigning homework, and tracking students' progress. For students, Compass has made learning fun with Big Box, our English learning app. Students can watch videos, play games, and do their homework. Writing Framework, a complete framework for building writing confidence. For more information about this product, including sample units to try out, scan the QR code or visit our website at compasspup.com.